Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the optical or mirror image isomerism. In last two lectures, we see the structural isomerism and stereo isomerism. These optical isomerisms are different than these two types. It is very important type of isomerism. Optical isomerism is due to molecular asymmetry. Optical isomerism is common in octahedral complexes containing bidentate ligands. It is essential to know the meaning of some of the terms related to the optical activity. First, we are going to see what is meant by optical activity. The property of a complex to rotate the plane of polarized light passing through it is called its optical activity. And the complex possessing this property or power, it is said to be optically active. Optically active complexes are said to exist in the following forms. First one is the dextrorotatory or D form. The complex one which rotates the plane of a polarized light towards the right, that is in clockwise direction, it's, it is said to be dextrorotatory or D form of the complex. And second, levorotatory or L form, the complex one which rotates the plane of a polarized light towards the left, that is in anti-clockwise direction, is said to be levorotatory or L form of the complex. It is well known fact that D and U will isomers are just mirror image of one another, and just as the palm of left hand is the mirror image of the right hand, the D and L isomers are also termed as enantiomorphs, opposite forms of one another. They have identical chemical and physical properties and differ only in the direction in which they rotate the plane of polarized light. Optical isomers. Two compounds having similar formula but possessing such an arrangement of groups or atoms in space around the metal ion that one's structure is the mirror image of the other, and these are not superimposable, are said to be optical isomers, and the phenomenon is called as enantiomorphism, and two compounds are called as enantiomorphs. Thus, optically active compound must possess non-superimposable mirror images. Only cis isomers exhibit optical isomerism. Optical isomerism, we shall consider optical isomerism of a complex compound having the coordination number 4 and 6. We have seen that the complex having coordination number 4 possesses tetrahedral and square planar shape, and those having coordination number 6 possesses octahedral. First we see the coordination number 4. The molecules of the type MA4, MA3B and MAB3 in square planar and tetrahedral complexes do not show mirror image isomerism. This is due to the fact that all the possible arrangements of the ligands around the central metal ion are exactly equivalent. A square planar complex, first we see these square planar complexes from the coordination number 4. Very few square planar complexes show optical isomerism. This is because in square planar complexes, all the ligands and metal ions lie in the same plane and possesses a plane of or center of symmetry. That is, it is symmetric compounds, and symmetric compounds cannot show optical activity. Square planar complexes do not show optical isomerism even if all ligands are the different. One such a square planar complex is isobutyl diamine mesostilbene diamine platinum second chloride. It has, however, been resolved into two optical forms. The following figure shows in the complex has no plane or axis of symmetry and hence it is unsymmetrical and optically active. See this complex, its planarity is removed. That means all ligands and metal atom, they are not in the same plane. Due to this bulkier ligand, it removed its planarity. And this complex can shows the optical activity. That is, this complex is optically active square planar complex. It is only the complex which can shows the optical activity. So this point is important for the exam point of view also. Then tetrahedral complexes from the coordination number 4. A tetrahedral complex of the type MABCD. For example, AsC2H5CH3 C6H4COO- S occurs as two optical isomers as two optical isomers of this tetrahedral complex is shown as all ligands are the different. It shows the mirror image relationship, and this complex is the optically active one. Tetrahedral complex containing asymmetrical bidentate ligands of the type MAA2 are not optically active since they possesses the mirror image. They have the plane of symmetry particularly. The tetrahedral complexes which have been shown to be optically active are those which contain the unsymmetrical bidentate ligands. The general formula of these complexes is MAB twice. Tetrahedral complexes of B second, boron third and zinc second with unsymmetrical bidentate ligand have been made and resolved. The complexes are bis benzoyl pyruvato beryllium second and bis benzoyl acetonate beryllium second and non-superimposable images of bis benzoyl acetate of beryllium second have the following structure. See this complex particularly, it have the mirror image relation, both are the mirror images of each other. Now we are going to see the coordination number 6. For the coordination number 6, octahedral shape for the complexes, and this shows the optical isomerism. The octahedral complexes containing only monodentate ligands, see for example Ma2B2C2 type of the complex, it shows the optical activity. For example, PTNH3 twice, PY twice, Cl2 square bracket complete 1 plus ion. See, this figure shows the positions A, B, C, D, E, F, all that particularly 1 to 6 positions occupied. They are the mirror images of each other, and in this case optical isomerism is possible. Next type of the octahedral complex, see M, A, B, C, D, E, F, all 6 ligands are different. Complex of this type theoretically possible 15 geometrical isomers. Each of the 15 isomer possesses the 2 optical isomers. For example, PT, NH3, PY, NO2, Cl, Br, I. For one form of this compound, the 2 identical isomers are shown. See this particularly one of the isomer, it can shows its D isomer as well as the L isomers, that is D form, L form. Optical isomerism is possible in all that 15 complexes. We have to particularly change the position of the ligand, and we can get all the possible isomers for these complexes. Octahedral complexes containing only symmetrical bidentate ligands. For example, MAA twice. This type of complex, whereas AA is the symmetrical bidentate ligand, these complexes possess 2 optical isomers. For example, COEN thrice 3 plus, PTEN thrice 4 plus, CR C2O4 thrice 3 minus. The optical isomers of the complex COEN thrice 3 plus is as, see its optical isomerism D form, L form, that is they are the mirror images of each other. Okay, then MAA2BB type complex also show the 2 optical isomers. Here both AA and BB are the symmetrical bidentate ligands. An example is CO EN2 C2O4 twice 1 plus. It shows 2 optical isomers and they are represented in the figure. It have the mirror image and they are the D and L isomers. Third, octahedral complexes containing monodentate and symmetrical bidentate ligands. For example, MAA twice B2. AA is bidentate ligand and B2 are the monodentate ligand. Types of the complex: CO EN2 Cl2 1 plus ion shows the 2 optical isomers. See in the figure, there are the 2 monodentate ligands and 2 symmetrical bidentate ligands, and they have the mirror image relationship. They shows the D and L isomer, thus it is the optically active compounds. Next, that is MAA twice BC. AA is the symmetrical bidentate ligand, B and C are the monodentate, 2 different ligands. For example, CO EN twice NH3 Cl2 plus ion shows the 2 optical isomers. See the particularly complex, its mirror image, its D isomer and L isomer. Fourth type, octahedral complexes containing optical active bidentate unsymmetrical ligands. For example, COEN PN NO2 twice 1 plus. This EN is the ethylene diamine, PN is the 1,2-propane diamine. See its 2 forms, they are the optically active isomers, D form and L form. Complex containing the hexadentate ligands like EDTA. See, it is the structure of the EDTA, ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. It is the hexadentate ligand. See, there are we mark the positions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are the 6 sites These ligands from these 6 sites coordinated to the central metal atom in the complex. See the particular complex of EDTA, CO-EDTA. We can represent in both the figure, that is it is D isomer, L isomer, its mirror image, and they can show the optical activity.